Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily listen to music together on Spotify, so let's jump right into it. Now before you start, make sure you have your app updated to the latest version and then go ahead and open it. Once you open it, go ahead and choose a song, so I'm going to go through my liked songs and tap on a song from there. Now once the song is playing, tap on this symbol on the bottom left corner right here. Once you tap on it, it will take you to this screen. Tap on Start a Remote Group Session and then tap on Invite Friends in the bottom right here. Now you can copy the link and send it to your friends, or you can send it via social media apps, just like I'm going to do right here. Now my friend has to go and open the link and join my session, and we'll be listening to music together. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.